Hello students, now we will move on to our next lesson. It's lesson number 12, work we do. Okay, so everyone take your EVS textbook. Okay, and open page number 80. Here we are given a beautiful picture in our textbook. Let's first observe it. It's here. Let's observe the picture. What can you see in this picture first? So let's start from the top of the picture. Here from top of the picture you can see that a tea stall. Okay, and some people having tea. Here a woman is selling flowers. Then it is a post office. Then some workers, they are working. Okay, here some children are playing under a tree, and under a tree we can see that a barber is also sitting for and waiting for his customer. He is ready to shave and cut the hair. Okay, आगे चलिए. Okay, here he is a cobbler. He is also waiting for his customer. Okay, now ahead he is a traffic police. He is controlling traffic. Now on another side, here we can see a fruit seller. Okay, he is going for selling his fruits. Now then we can see some children who is running here and there. It seems they are late for school. Okay, here who is she? She is a teacher. Okay, and she is also late. Why? Because his sleeper is broken, so maybe she is also late. What can we see further? Here we can see a shop and a shopkeeper. Then we can see some vehicles on road. Okay, on road we can see some vehicles. Here a camel cart also we can see, and a woman is sitting on in a camel cart. Then it is a hospital. Okay, so we can see a different things in a picture. Do you understand, student? Okay, I hope you understand in this picture. Now let's read what is there in our lesson. Now, like other days, Ramesh was doing mason work. Mason means who constructing building. ઓકે, જે બિલ્ડિંગ કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કરે એને શું કહેવાય? મેસન. જે આપણું હોમ બનાવે, ઓકે, એને શું કહેવાય? મેસન. સો હુ ઇઝ મેસન? Rameshbhai is a mason. Now he reached the tea stall after his breakfast. His brother Rajesh, who had come from the village, was also with him. So Rameshbhai is a mason, and Rajesh Bhai, here this two man is sitting near a tea stall. Okay, we can see them. One who is taking tea, he is Ramesh Bhai, and the another one who is sitting near Ramesh Bhai is Rajesh Bhai. Okay, he comes from village with Ramesh Bhai. Both are brother. Okay, Ramesh Bhai and Rajesh Bhai both are brother. Now see next. He reached the tea stall after his breakfast. His brother Rajesh, who had come from the village, was also with him. જે રાજેશ ભાઈ છે એઓ પણ સાથે બેસેલા છે. The worker at the tea stall gave him a cup of tea and said, "Here is today's newspaper." Okay, and the જે ટી સ્ટોલ ઉપર જે વર્કર વર્ક કરી રહ્યા છે એઓ શું આપે છે? રમેશભાઈને શું આપે છે? ટી સર્વ કરે છે અને સાથે બીજું શું આપે છે? આ જે સ્મોલ બોય છે સોરી, હી ઇઝ સર્વિંગ ટી એન્ડ ઓલ્સો ઓફરિંગ અ ન્યૂઝપેપર. અને બીજું શું આપે છે? ન્યૂઝપેપર આપે છે. નાવ the worker at the tea stall gave him a cup of tea and said, "Here's today's newspaper. How will you spend your whole day sitting here? Don't you get bored?" asked Rajesh Bhai. Okay, so Rajesh Bhai asked to her brother Ramesh Bhai that, "Are you not bored to sitting here whole the day?" So આખો દિવસ અહીંયા બેસીને તમને બોર નથી લાગતું? So no, I will do my work and look around how many are doing different work, said Ramesh Bhai. So Ramesh Bhai is a mason. He replied that, I am not bored here. I do my own work and see there are many people who is doing their own work. અહીંયા બહુ બધા લોકો છે જેઓ પોતપોતાનું કામ કરી રહ્યા છે. So the both brothers conversation is given here. બંને એકબીજા સાથે વાત કરી રહ્યા છે. Okay, now let's turn the page. It's on page number 81. One does not realize how the time flies. Look at that group of children. So Ramesh Bhai is continued. રમેશભાઈ હવે પોતાની વાત આગળ વધારે છે કે આ આજુબાજુ જે પીપલ્સ છે એવું શું કરી રહ્યા છે. ઓકે, સો એટ ફર્સ્ટ હી ઇન્ડિકેટ ધ ચિલ્ડ્રન હુ ઇઝ લેટ ફોર સ્કૂલ. ઓકે, એઝ યુઝ્યુઅલ દે આર લેટ ફોર સ્કૂલ. એવરીવન ઇઝ રનિંગ. તો આ જે ચિલ્ડ્રન્સ છે દે આર રનિંગ ફોર સ્કૂલ બિકોઝ દે આર લેટ. The teacher is also late today. Oh, it seems her sandal has broken. The teacher here, she is also late because her sandal is broken. So Ramesh Bhai told about all. Oh, it seems her sandal has broken. She is going to Jaggu Bhai to get it repaired. So Jaggu Bhai here, Jaggu Bhai, he is a cobbler. So this teacher is going to Jaggu Bhai to repair her sandals. So who is Jaggu Bhai? Jaggu Bhai is a cobbler who repairs sandals and footwears. It's good for him. He will get some money early in the morning. So Ramesh Bhai told that he can earn some money from the teacher. Teacher is his customer because teacher's sandal is broken. તો એ કોની પાસે જશે? ફૂટવેર આપણા તૂટી ગયા હોય, ફાટી ગયા હોય તો આપણે કોની પાસે જઈએ? We go to cobbler. Okay, so who is cobbler here? Here cobbler's name is Jaggu Bhai. Okay, now let's turn your page. It's on page number 82. Now Champa is sitting there with her basket full of flowers. Now here Champa is sitting. The woman who is selling a flower, her name is Champa. Okay, she is selling flowers. Now the lady working in post office buys flower from her every day. Now a lady here, she is working in post office and she buys flower from Champa every day. આ જે લેડી દેખાય છે એ પોસ્ટ ઓફિસમાં વર્ક કરે છે અને એ ચંપા પાસેથી ચંપા પાસેથી ડેલી શું ખરીદે છે? ફ્લાવર ખરીદે છે અને પોસ્ટ ઓફિસમાં વર્ક કરે છે. ઓકે, નાવ second paragraph. The construction work has started again. The truck is bringing materials. The workers will again be busy for the whole day. Here all the workers who are making a construction, they are also busy. Okay, so it is that. Look there, the doctor and the nurse are entering the hospital together. Okay, here doctor and a nurse, they are entering hospital. Then Look there, the doctor and the nurse are entering the hospital together. See, Raiji with his fruit cart. This day he also brings Mamta with him. Mamta runs around, delivers fruit and collects money. So here he is a fruit seller. A fruit seller is, what is the name of fruit seller? Raiji Bhai. Okay, he brings her daughter Mamta with him. એની જે daughter છે મમતા એને સાથે લે છે. મમતા શું વર્ક કરે છે? મમતા રન્સ અરાઉન્ડ, ડિલિવર્સ ફ્રૂટ્સ એન્ડ કલેક્ટ મની. આજુબાજુ દોડીને ફ્રૂટ્સ આપે અને બીજું શું કરે? એ મની કલેક્ટ કરવામાં હેલ્પ કરે. કોને? હર ફાધર રાયજીભાઈ. સો રાયજીભાઈ ઇઝ અ ફ્રૂટ સેલર. નાવ see, Nano the barber has laid out his shop, but whom will he shave? Now a barber. Here is a barber. Where is barber, student? Okay, he is here under a tree. He is sitting under a tree and he is waiting for his customer. Okay, he is Nanu Bhai. He is Nanu Bhai. Okay. Now, right in the middle of the crossing stand Iqbal Singh. Throughout the day, he blows his whistle and keeps shouting, "Move your vehicle from here, we! Hey, have you not heard me? Take the cart away." So, right in the middle of the crossing stand here, he is a traffic police and his name is Iqbal Singh. Okay, what is the name of traffic police? His name is Iqbal Singh. He is controlling traffic. Whole the day he is whistling. આખો દિવસ એ શું કરે છે? વિસલ વગાડીને આજુબાજુ જેટલા પણ વ્હીકલ્સ હોય એ બધા વ્હીકલ્સને કંટ્રોલ કરે છે. ઓકે, સો ધેટ ઇઝ Iqbal Singh. Now, saying this, Ramesh put down his empty cup and walked to a nearby shop. Now, how do people sell their things at crossroad or weekly market? Do the act. Okay, now Ramesh Bhai is walked to a nearby shop. Okay, saying all these things by Ramesh Bhai. આ બધું કોણ ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરીને કોણ કહે છે? રમેશભાઈ કહે છે. ઓકે, નાવ થિંક એન્ડ રાઇટ હિયર. લુક કેરફુલી એટ ધ પિક્ચર and write what work is being done by different people. Now, first one, the mason. What work is done by mason? Constructing the building. Second one, the traffic police. He is controlling the traffic. Third one, the barber is ready to shave people. The cobbler for repairing footwear. So this is the work done by different people in the picture. We have observed all the picture. Okay, so write this in your textbook. Now turn your page on page number 83. What kind of work do people in your neighbor do? Name any 5. What are these works called? Now see work and what they are called. Now repair cars and scooter. The person who repair cars and scooter, he is called mechanic. Okay, જે કાર અને સ્કૂટરને રિપેર કરે એને શું કહેવાય સ્ટુડન્ટ? He is called mechanic. Okay, now the person who's selling vegetables, so what he call? He can call greengrocer. એને શું કહી શકાય? Greengrocer. Okay, then treating patient. Okay, a person who treating patient, what they are called? They are called doctor. Then a person who's selling things from a shop, so they are called a shopkeeper. Then a person who repairing taps etc., that person is called a plumber. Now building homes, that person is called a mason. Okay, જે વેજીટેબલ સેલ કરતા હોય એને ગ્રીન ગ્રોસર, પછી પેશન્ટને ટ્રીટ કરે એ પર્સનને શું કહેવાય? ડૉક્ટર. ઓકે, શોપની અંદર વસ્તુઓને વેચે એને શું કહેવાય? શોપકીપર. ટેપ્સને આપણા નળ ને આવું બધું રિપેર કરે એને શું કહેવાશે? પ્લમ્બર. એન્ડ ઘર બનાવે એને શું કહેવાય? મેસન. Okay, so this is the work and what can we call them. Now see next. In the picture on the first page of this lesson, some buildings have been shown. In the list below, put a pink on the name of these buildings and also put a green on the names of those buildings that are in your surroundings. So here what you have to do is paste a pink color on this in the circle whichever buildings can see in the picture. Okay, on first page of this lesson. આ લેસનની અંદર ફર્સ્ટ પેજ ઉપર આપણે જે પિક્ચર્સ જોયા, ઓકે, અહીંયા આની અંદર જેટલા પણ શોપ્સ એન્ડ બિલ્ડિંગ્સ દેખાય એ શોપ્સ ઉપર તમારે પિંક કલર કરવાનો છે. ઓકે, એન્ડ ધ બિલ્ડિંગ્સ સરાઉન્ડિંગ ઇન યોર એરિયા એવા બિલ્ડિંગ્સ ઉપર તમારે ગ્રીન કલર કરવાનો છે. ઓકે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, જે શોપ્સ તમારી આજુબાજુ દેખાય, બિલ્ડિંગ આજુબાજુ દેખાતી હોય એ બિલ્ડિંગ્સ ઉપર તમારે ગ્રીન કલર કરવાનું. ઓકે, અને એટ ફર્સ્ટ કયો કલર કરવાનું? પિંક કલર. કઈ બિલ્ડિંગ્સ ઉપર પિંક કલર કરવાનું છે? જે બિલ્ડિંગ્સ આપણે પિકમાં ઓબ્ઝર્વ કર્યું છે. ઓકે, વિચ બિલ્ડિંગ્સ વી ઓબ્ઝર્વડ ઇન પિક્ચર? એટ ફર્સ્ટ પોસ્ટ ઓફિસ. આપણે જોયું ને બિલ્ડિંગ પોસ્ટ ઓફિસ. ઓકે, આપણા પિક્ચરની અંદર શું છે? પોસ્ટ ઓફિસ. ધેન પોસ્ટ ઓફિસ ઉપર શું કરવાનું? પિંક કલર. ધેન હોસ્પિટલ. હોસ્પિટલ ઇઝ ધેર, યસ, સો પિંક કલર હોસ્પિટલ પર. સ્કૂલ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો ધેર, સો paste school pink color in a school. School ઉપર pink color કરો. So like this. Here it's like this. Now then hotel or tea stall. Tea stall we can see in a picture, so write paste a pink color. Then shop we can see in our picture, so paste a pink color on that. And telephone booth you can see surrounding area, so green color. Petrol pump we can see a surrounding area, so it's green color. Temple we can see surrounding our area, so it's green color. Multi-stored building can be also seen our surrounding area, so green color. Police station can also seen in our surrounding area, so also here paste a green color. And banks also we can see in our surrounding area, so paste a green color here. Okay, so like this paste a color either pink or green. Okay, so do it in your textbook. Now turn your page, it's on page number 84. Now write the name of any 5 buildings and the work done in them. So અહીંયા આપણે બિલ્ડિંગ્સના નામ લખવાના છે અને એ બિલ્ડિંગ્સમાં શું વર્ક થાય એ લખવાનું છે અનધર સાઇડ. ઓકે, સો નેમ ઓફ ધ બિલ્ડિંગ એન્ડ વર્ક ડન બાય ધેમ. Okay, first one, hospital is given here. For example, what is done in the hospital? So treatment of patient and vaccination of children. So પેશન્ટનું ટ્રીટમેન્ટ કરવામાં આવે અને ચિલ્ડ્રનને વેક્સિનેશન મીન્સ કે એમને વેક્સિન આપવામાં આવે, ઇન્જેક્શન આપવામાં આવે ને ડિફરન્ટ ડિસીઝ માટે. ઓકે, સો વેક્સિનેશન ફોર children. So this work is done in hospital. Okay, now second building I have written is bank. Okay, so write down bank and what work is done in bank. So first work is done in bank is to acceptance and payment of money. Okay, bank માં શું કામ થાય? મની, પૈસા આપવાનું અને પૈસા લેવાનું કામ થાય. એન્ડ પૈસા સેવિંગ મની અને બેંકમાં મનીને સેવ કરી શકાય. So this work is done by bank. Now second one, post office. So what work is done in post office? So sending and receiving letters. Okay, sending and receiving letters, money orders, parcels, etc. Okay, આપણે પોસ્ટ ઓફિસમાં શું કરી શકીએ? લેટર્સ, મની ઓર્ડર્સ અને પાર્સલ્સ આ બધું મોકલાવી શકીએ અને લઈ શકીએ, મેળવી શકીએ. ઓકે, સો this work is done by post office. Now school. What work is done in school? So educating children. This work is done in school. Now bus stand. So what work is done in bus stand? So providing bus facilities for going from one place to another. So this work is done in bus stand. આપણે એક જગ્યાએથી બીજી જગ્યાએ જવું હોય તો આપણને શું હેલ્પફુલ છે? બસ સ્ટેન્ડ. ઓકે, સો બસ સ્ટેન્ડ ઇઝ ડન this work. Now courts. So what work is done in court? So doing justice. In court, doing justice. So this work is done in a court. Justice એટલે કે ન્યાય આપવામાં આવે. ક્યાં ન્યાય આપવામાં આવે? કોર્ટ્સમાં. ઓકે, so these are some buildings and work made by them. Now let's see. In the picture you saw many people who work together to build a new building. School is also one such place where many people work. Right? What work is done in the school? So in our school there are many things, many works done. Okay, so based on that I have written some things which are done in school. Okay, so you have to also write this work in your textbook. Okay, first work which is done in school is children are given education. આપણી સ્કૂલમાં કેવા વર્ક કરવામાં આવે? તો એટ ફર્સ્ટ ચિલ્ડ્રનને શું આપવામાં આવે? એજ્યુકેશન આપવામાં આવે. ધેન ટીચર્સ ટીચ ચિલ્ડ્રન. આ પણ સ્કૂલની અંદર આવું વર્ક થાય ને, ટીચર્સ ટીચ ચિલ્ડ્રન. ટીચરો ચિલ્ડ્રનને શીખવે. ધેન children are made various activities like singing, dancing, drawing. Okay, so different activities also done in school. Then next activity, so children are taught different skills. Okay, so different skills are also taught to children like playing cricket. Okay, so different skills are taught in school. Then which work? Another work is done in school to make children a good citizen. That is the important work done by a school. કોઈ પણ ચિલ્ડ્રનને એકદમ રિસ્પોન્સિબલ એન્ડ ગુડ સિટીઝન બનાવવાનું કામ થાય. ક્યાં? સ્કૂલમાં. ઓકે, ઓલ ચિલ્ડ્રન આર પ્લેડ. બધા ચિલ્ડ્રન સ્કૂલમાં રમે પણ છે. ઓકે, સો ધીસ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ વર્ક્સ આર ડન ઇન અ સ્કૂલ. ઓકે, you have to write down all this work in your textbook, also in your workbook. Now next, are there any children in the picture who are not going to school? Where are they going? Now, in the first picture we have seen, we observe, so about that it question is, now it asked that is there any children who is not going to school? કેટલાક ચિલ્ડ્રનો તમને પિક્ચરમાં એવા દેખાયા કે જે સ્કૂલ જઈ નથી રહ્યા. ઓકે, સો અને એવું શું કામ કરે છે? આપણે એ લખવાનું છે અહીંયા. સો સમ ચિલ્ડ્રન આર પ્લેઇંગ. લેટ્સ સી ધ પિક્ચર. ઓકે, here some children are playing under a tree. They are not going to school. Okay, so some children are playing under a tree. Then let's see here. Okay, she is Mamta. She is going with her father to sell fruits. Then it's here one boy is also serving tea. So all these children, they are not going to school. Okay, and they are doing different work. Okay students, so write down this in your textbook. Okay, for the lesson we'll explain in next video. Okay students, till then take care students, stay home, stay safe.